How's it going, guys? It's Brandon down here at Bradenton Beach in Florida. There's my ride. First time on a sailboat. Inspired by the best channel on YouTube. Got their shirt on. Sailing LaVagabonde. If you haven't seen them, definitely check them out. And we're going to take this out. We're on the Gulf of Mexico. Should be quite a time. Climb aboard. Let's get going. Sailing for the first time. We're on a crash course.
Well, Brandon, you do it. This makes me nervous. Really.
We're okay.
I don't want to do it.
We're okay.
No.
All we gotta do is not hit that.
You want to see me on that?
We gotta not hit that red thing.
From the Captain Cheryl, now on!
You want to see me going back and forth on this ramp?
One thing in this entire sea, and we can't hardly get around it. We gotta go to the right of that red marker. To the left of this. Just doesn't really seem like a challenge, but it is. We're down below the storm, the very first time we take the boat out. Captain's up there steering us and getting us around. Well, we survived the storm. It was a bit of a washout, pretty good lightning. But, got a few clouds hanging around us. We anchored over here. Right by this old ship. I don't know how stuff gets left out here like that, but it's apparently just anchored and on its own. Yep, it's good.
The engine.
I don't have to get used to much. I'm a natural pro.
He is. Look out now.
Down easy, you've got a lot of power there.
Yeah, real easy.
Real good, yep. I guess if I could get a couple sails, I'd just take that out to sea. She looks ocean worthy.
What's it say on that window for sale?
Private property. Looks like we got another storm coming in. There's a water spout popped up back here.
That was Anna Maria Island. But it's gone now.
Hoist away! Okay, hold it! You have to get it between, and you can see it's not quite there yet. Hold on a minute. Otherwise the battens get caught up in the lazy jack. Oh, okay, looks good. Looks good. Hey, go ahead. Hoist away.
Well, what about all this?
It'll go up. Just don't get caught up in it. Wow, that's a long way to go. Okay, well, you brought that up without much of the winch. You may want to use the winch now. Nice job, Brandon. You can see that little bit of loose sail. So as soon as that's taut, you're all the way up.
About it.
Yeah, maybe just a tad bit more. Yeah, a tad bit more. That looks pretty good.
Well, we got the sails up. Traveling with the wind. Had a bit of a storm yesterday, but perfect weather today. We're just off of Bradenton Beach. You can look out there. We got the Skyway Bridge. Just cruising in the bay. Perfect weather. Just a little bit of wind. All right. We put the sails down, headed back in.